Welcome to our final lecture on the basics of Streamlit. We have covered displaying data and simple input. Now we will build a functional user feedback application, demonstrating how to use buttons to trigger actions and how to handle form submission in Streamlit. 1. Designing the input form. We use two different input widgets. First, st.slider is excellent for capturing a numerical range, here used for the user's rating from 1 to 5. Second, st.text_area is used for long, multi-line text input, perfect for comments. Both these actions automatically update their respective Python variables. Two, the submission button. We add an st.button. Crucially, when this button is clicked, it returns true and triggers the entire script to rerun. We store this Boolean result in the submitted variable. This is how we know the user is ready to finalize their input. 3. Handling submission logic. We wrap our form processing logic in an if submitted block. First, we perform a validation check, ensuring the comment length meets our minimum requirement. If the validation fails, we display an error using st.error. If successful, we display a confirmation message using st.success, including the captured data. In a real-world application, this is where your code would save the data to a file or database. To summarize, the combination of input widgets and reactive execution allows us to build powerful, full-featured applications easily. This concludes our introduction to Streamlit. Next, we will transition into data validation with the powerful Pydantic library. Our next section is using Pydantic for data validation, starting with Lecture 42.01. Introduction. See you there.